Sorry?
Activate that button. Let's see. Oh, look like Huggy World.
Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we are looking at the Vactidy T8 2-in-1 robotic vacuum cleaner. So this was very kindly sent to me by Vactidy. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I should also mention this will be in the Amazon Prime Day sale 11th and 12th of July 2023. Original price for this is $299. With the discount, they have a 47% discount. You could pick this up for $159. So after watching this review, if you do want to pick this up or if you want to know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. I have also reviewed the Vactidy T6 robotic vacuum cleaner. We are still using that. That is 1500 PA. This is 3000 PA. So the higher the number, the more powerful the vacuum cleaner. My little boy loves that. But any little kid would love a robotic vacuum cleaner. So what I'll do is I'll take everything out the box. We'll go through what's included and then I'll link it up to the app. I'll show you it in action as well. Before we start, remember if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated and please subscribe to watch more reviews. We get an instruction booklet in different languages. Quick start guide, QR code there for the app. I already have the app, so you could download the app from Google Play or the App Store. It's the Vactidy app, and this only runs on the 2.4 gigahertz network. We get a cleaning brush. It has a little blade in there to cut hair off the brush bar. 2 AAA batteries for the remote. The remote control, you do not need to use the app. You could just use the remote, but the app will give you extra functions like you could set schedules and stuff. We'll have a look at the app later on. So the home symbol there, if you push that, the cleaner will return back to its charging base. The one next to that, that's for room clean. We have a control pad here as well, and then start, pause. That's spot clean. The one next to that is edge clean. You could control the suction as well, suction down or suction up. Power supply, it's a barrel type one. I'm in the UK, so mine is a 3-pin one. Spare filter. There are 2 spare side brushes included. The charging base, it's got some contact points there. They will match up with the contact points on the cleaner. An indicator there, 3 rubber pads, power port there, spare mop pad. This is the mop pad holder. We get another mop pad that's already applied. And finally, we have the Vactidy T8 2-in-1 robotic vacuum cleaner. There is a protective film on here. I'm leaving that. You could remove that if you want. Vactidy have upgraded the navigation and obstacle sensors in this. So this has something called Gyro Nav Tech, which reduces the chances of this bumping into obstacles. It has embedded 3 flow sensors and 2 anti-collision sensors. At the top, as you can see there, power button, the one below that, the home sign, that will send it back to its charging base. At the front there, that's where the bin is. That is also the water tank as well. It's a clever design, it's 2-in-1. So to remove it, we just push this down. Has some information there. So if you want to empty the bin, just push that and pull up. Your rubbish will get collected in there. Filter. It's got that little black piece there, and then it has a HEPA filter. That's the water tank there. Just pull this up. At the bottom of the bin, that's where the mop attachment would fit. So you could see it would only go on one way. At the side we have air outlet. That's rubber, the bumper there, so even if it does bump into any objects, it will not damage them. And it has a sensor there at the front. Another air outlet on this side. So looking at the cleaner from the bottom, we have some cliff sensors here. So if you are using it at the top of a landing, it won't come downstairs. Then we have the two contact points there that will match up with the contact points on the charging base. Two side brushes, and of course they have included the spare ones. Two big rubber wheels, and then the brush roll is in here. So to gain access to the brush roll, we just push these up, pull that out. This would only go in one way. It has an arrow there, and that has a little square there. Okay, let's link it up to the app. Add T8. Okay, I just need to hold these two for 5 seconds together. So the Wi-Fi sign has come up now, it started flashing. I can confirm that. Next. It already has my Wi-Fi details. I need to connect to the hotspot for the cleaner. There it is, SL Vactidy E226. Click on that. So I'll go back to that. It's starting to connect now. %. Next. And there we are connected. That is so simple. So you could see at the top here we have battery percentage, time used, of course it hasn't been used yet, and the area is cleaned, it hasn't cleaned any yet. So start recharging, you could push the home button, auto clean, and then at the bottom here it has deep clean, edge, spot clean, and mopping. So if I push the cog at the top, so you could restore factory settings as well if you make any changes. Let's go back. Just click the little squares at the top. You could schedule settings. So when you leave your house in the morning, you could set the cleaner to clean up before you get back home. If I back out of that, we've got cleaning records. Of course, I don't have any at the moment because I haven't used it. And some information down here. So it will let you know when you need to change the filter, the side brush, and the roller brush. Map outline, that's on. You could also turn that off if you want. At the moment, it's showing 74% battery. Once the battery is 100%, then I'll come back and we'll show this cleaner in action. If you do have any Vactidy products, do let us know in the comment section below what you think. I've put down some cornflakes. Let's do auto cleaning. I haven't attached the mop attachment because I have a rug here. I will move over to the kitchen where we don't have any rugs. Then I will attach the mop attachment. Deep clean. So as you can see, it's picking the cornflakes up. to spot. So I don't know if you heard that. As soon as he went on the rug, the sound went slightly higher because it increases the suction. But on hard floor, it is quiet. So this is what it picked up. As you can see, that is not bad. As for the sensors, as you've seen, they are not working that good because it is still bumping into things. However, the main thing, it is picking rubbish up. Okay, let's do a mop test now.
Mama, which one do you think is scarier? Which is scarier?
Just so I'll show you the pad from underneath. So it isn't really wet. On the sides, there's more water there because I accidentally overfilled the tank and the water started leaking out a bit.
Whoa.
And I don't know if you can see on the floor, there is a bit of water there. Apologies for this. The vacuum cleaner is under attack now by these two teddies. The cleaner overall, it's a decent piece of kit. And as I mentioned before, it will be included in the Prime Day sales, as will other Vactidy products. So if you do want to pick this up, click the first link in the description box below. Just before I go, if I click on these 4 boxes, it says cleaning records. So it's showing. It has drawn a little map as well, but you could turn that off if you want. The little map there. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
No. Don't end it. Let's see who stay first. Activate the machine.
Sorry?
Activate the machine now.
Activate the machine. Okay.
Yeah.
I've activated the machine. Just wait.
Let's see. Oh, look like cookie world. Oof. This could be
There's time to go now. Say bye.